Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover's Dangerous, chapter 60. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Chenxi, Huang Yunner, and also Shangguanin, the three of them are going to have a meeting. Well, it's really getting late. Now it makes sense. They still discovering about the facts, about what happened in the past, what was discovered at the fire scene. Well, Wang Yuner, she kept asking O Chenxi and said, it's the door lock. Well, as of now, she was trying to confirm if only the three of them can hear the conversation. The door was mostly firm, but the lock was made of alloy. The fire couldn't melt it. But one, the door lock has disappeared. So it seems that there's a foul play before, or saying that someone deliberately took the door lock. Things can disappear for no reason. This is only the possibility. Shangguanin said to her, it would be so boring that the door lock can be reused. So why take it anyway? Shangguanin, she kept thinking about this. Wang Yuner at this moment, who would take, unless the door lock? Well, why take it away at all? There's a lot of things and questions are really bothering on her. I have a guess. In criminal psychology, some of the people will take something from the victim or those used to commit on that night as their own trophies. I mean to say that the real arsonist took the door locks that weren't burned as the trophies, although it sounds poor. Well, it does make sense. Shangguanin said, although this explain makes sense, I still have no idea who is the arsonist is. Well, Wang Yuner, she keeps thinking about this. Who is the possible person involved? At least it can be provided that Shanshan is definitely not the arsonist. Well, I'm very patient, Wang Yunus said, but what really happened to her sister, Shonggonin, she's the third party, and said, maybe I can provide some clues. Oh, this girl, someone is really getting jealous. Well, definitely, don't you think that old servant is weird, especially arranged for someone to move in and live near her home so that she'll keep an eye on her movements and get some information. My informant actually saw this photo from a woman who was keen on gossiping. So it turns out there's also another reason. Well, what do you think? The person is her brother. Shunganin said, do you recognize the people in the photo? Well, it makes sense. Shunganin, it turns out she is really good at finding some evidence. Well, I don't know. Wang Yuner said, this man, well, oh Chenxi, did she notice the person that it's her brother? Well, it looks like, right? It's Chen Hao. This girl looks familiar to me too. So it turns out her father has a lot of girls in her life, and it really makes sense. Chen Hao, the son of your vicious stepfather, well, she never wrong about this. Now, it makes sense. It seems that the puzzle is really getting solved. Shuangguanin, who, who is this girl? It was the real Si Jiaoshe, the old servant's daughter. Well, it turns out Shunganin surely find a good shot this time. Could it be? Did Shi Jiaoshe ever date Ochen Hao? Now it makes sense. She seems to getting the answer, but that's right. This photo was secretly taken by the woman who wanted to tell the old servant that her daughter was hooking up with the rich people. Now it makes sense. Unexpectedly, Sijanse died the next day. The dead are the most important, so he didn't dare to say anything else and just kept it on her phone. Later, after her ex-husband died, he was able to get in touch with her daughter. Unfortunately, not long after that, something happened to her daughter. Now, it makes sense. It seems that the fuss, it was really sad. I just got home that day, seeing that Oh Chen Hao hurriedly taking a strange girl away, and two seems to be arguing. Well, it seems that on that night, Chenxi, her father, Oh Chen Hao, and I live in the two buildings later and heard a commotion outside. Looking out the window, the girl had fallen to her death. Well, that must be really terrifying. The old servant also saw it at the same time, but she did not react at all. Well, probably she don't want to tell them that the lady is her daughter. The old servant also saw it, but on that time he really didn't react, and also she becomes speechless, while the other is really in shock. Why is there no one's responding? No reaction. Maybe the biggest reaction. Well, Wang Yuner, at this moment, still, she got really fuzzled. Anyone can control the intense grief in the heart must be the tough guy. Well, judging from the interaction between Oh Chen Hao and the old servant during the time. Well, right, she Diaose was with Oh Chen Hao before she was reconnected with her mother. Well, there's a lot of things and also possibilities need to consider about this. Now, it makes sense. If they hadn't been separated for so long, would Shi Jiaoshe have a different ending? Well, Wang Yuner, she keeps thinking about this. Shungonin, she keeps staring on the two of them. Okay, even if we clear all this up, the question is, what does have to do with the fire? Well, it really makes sense how it is related. Everyone seems to be speechless, especially Oh Chenxi and Wang Yuner. Well, keep listening to Shungonin. Now, let's see what's gonna happen. It seems that the little Yuner at this moment, she keeps staring on her phone. Could it be that something about her that really related on the fire accident 3 years ago? It turns out she was seeing the news about Wang Yuner. To all my friends and fans who care about me, after a long period of careful consideration, I have decided to officially bid a farewell. Well, this girl, she's really happy. In case Wang Yuner's career was ruined, from now on, she can completely get out of my circle. So this girl, she's really plotting something like this. So she can take off Wang Yuner in front of her. Well, it seems that the goal has been achieved. Some people shouldn't stay here anymore. Well, let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!